This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. Open house Sunday, January 19th from 12 noon to 2 p.m. First time on the markets in desirable Breezeswept Beach Estates. Amazing sunrise and open water views from here. Quick, no bridges, boating access out to open ocean and 2 routes to Gulf side with 40 feet and 15 feet bridge clearances. Easy care, low maintenance home is move-in ready, perfect for second home, and as vacation rental for extra income. Dock, siding, roof and decks are constructed with durable, no wood, materials to withstand the elements. For more information, review the details below.